Choosing the perfect travel camera can be tricky. You want portability, versatility, and high image quality without carrying heavy gear. Here are the top 5 best travel cameras that worth buying. All links are given in description. Number 5. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 is the ultimate hybrid travel camera because it delivers professional-level performance in a compact and lightweight body that's perfect for life on the move. Equipped with a 26.1 megapixels X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, it produces stunning images with rich colors and excellent low-light performance, while also offering impressive video capabilities, including 6.2K/30p and 4K/60p recording. The camera's subject detection autofocus, which recognizes people, animals, birds, and vehicles, makes capturing fast-moving moments effortless. Travelers will also appreciate the fully articulating screen for selfies, vlogging, or creative angles, along with long battery life that can last up to 750 shots in economy mode, perfect for days of exploring without worrying about charging. Adding to its versatility, the XS20 supports external microphones and headphones for high-quality audio, and Fujifilm's famous film simulations give your images a unique, ready-to-share look without editing. Combining portability, advanced stills, and cinematic video in one, the Fujifilm X-S20 truly earns its title as the best hybrid travel camera. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is arguably one of the best action travel cameras today because it delivers pro-level imaging, rugged performance, and versatility, all in a compact package. It features a large 1 to 1.3-inch CMOS sensor with a wide 155-degree field of view and 13.5 stops of dynamic range, which means it captures more detail in both shadows and highlights, even in tricky lighting. For stabilized footage, the Osmo Action 5 Pro offers multiple strong modes: Rock Steady 3.0, Horizon Steady, Horizon Balancing, and 360-degree Horizon Lock, letting you shoot smooth video whether you're hiking, biking, or shooting in chaotic motion, which is excellent for action shoots and long travel days. Plus, it's waterproof to 20 meters out of the box, has dual high-brightness OLED touch screens, and built-in storage alongside microSD support for up to 1 terabyte. Putting that all together, sensor performance, image stabilization, durability, battery power, and useful features like subject tracking and versatile mounting makes the Osmo Action 5 Pro an excellent all-rounder for travel-oriented action photography and video. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7C Mark II. The Sony Alpha 7 C2 shines as the best full-frame travel camera by packing high-end features into a truly compact body that travels easy without compromising on performance. Its 33 megapixels back-illuminated full-frame sensor delivers rich detail, excellent dynamic range, low light capability, and clean image quality even in challenging lighting. The upgraded autofocus, with Sony's AI subject detection and tracking humans, animals, birds, along with a new front command dial, gives you fast, reliable control and keeps your subject sharp even while you're moving. For video creators, the A7C Mark II offers 10-bit, strong in-body stabilization, and a vari-angle touchscreen that facilitates creative angles and vlogging. All this makes it ideal for travel. You get pro-grade photo and video results, but in a camera small enough that you won't dread carrying it. Number 2. Fujifilm X100VI. The Fujifilm X100V stands out as the best compact travel camera because it combines stunning image quality, premium features, and street-friendly usability, all in a package you'll actually want to carry everywhere. Its 40.2 megapixels, 5 HR sensor paired with Fujifilm's X processor. 5 delivers sharp detail, great dynamic range, and impressive low-light performance. Hybrid electronic viewfinder gives you flexibility in framing. optical for that classic window onto world feel. The tilting 3.0-inch touchscreen helps with creative angles, overhead or waist-level shots, useful when you want variety without contorting yourself. Also, with 6.2K video at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, 20+ Fujifilm film simulation modes, and classic tactile dials for exposure, this camera feels like an all-round artist's tool, not just a spec sheet. Number 1. Canon R50V. The Canon EOS R50V shines as the best travel camera because it strikes an excellent balance between portability, powerful performance for both photo and video, and features made for modern creators. Its 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 ensures fast, accurate autofocus with full coverage subject tracking faces, eyes, animals, vehicles, which is crucial when shooting spontaneously on the go. For video work, the R50V is impressively capable. Uncropped, oversampled 4K at 30 frames per second for sharp, clean footage, 4K at 60 frames per second, cropped for smoother motion, Full HD up to 120 frames per second for slow motion, plus Canon Log 3 and LUT previews for more creative flexibility and color grading. Design touches for travel and content creation are well thought out. A vari-angle screen, side tripod mount for vertical shooting, grip designed for comfort, a dedicated movie mode dial, live streaming button, and compact lenses. In short, the R50V delivers a compelling mix of portability, modern video tools, excellent autofocus, and travel-friendly handling, making it a great choice if you want one camera to do it all while on the move. Check out other buying guide videos. Also subscribe for videos like this.